Mga kapatid, mga magigiting na anak ng bayan.
Santiago Alvarez, a well-known Katipunan warlord from Cavite. He was the son of Mariano Alvarez, a Filipino revolutionary on the Magdiwang side, and a relative of Gregoria de Jesus, the wife of Andres Bonifacio. Alvarez wrote an account of the event that sparked the Philippine Revolution. It's important to note that Alvarez wasn't present at the event and wasn't an eyewitness. Unlike others like Masangkay, Samson, and Valenzuela, because of this, his account isn't considered as reliable as those from people who were actually there. Still, Alvarez, who was in Cavite at that time, provides his version of the cry. August 23, 1896. On the morning of Sunday as early as 10 o'clock, in a barn of Melchor Aquino, located at Sampalucan in the Bahay Toro Barrio, a group of Katipuneros gathered. There were about 500 of them that had a strong desire to join forces with the revered leader, Andres Bonifacio, in the fight for the country. The following day, Monday, August 24, 1896, there were about 1,000 Katipuneros, under the guidance of their leader, the Supremo, Andres Bonifacio. They decided to convene a meeting within the big barn. The meeting commenced at 10 in the morning. It was 12 o'clock noon when the meeting adjourned amidst loud cries of, "Long live the sons of the country! Mabuhay ang mga anak ng bayan!"
Kulang man tayo sa sandata. Mas malakas man ang baril at kanyon ng mga Kastila. Lalaban tayo hanggang sa huling hininga. Hindi tayo magpapalupig! Tayo ang magtatagumpay. Dahil tayo ang mga anak ng bayan. Tayo ang nagmamay-ari sa lupang ito. Sa atin ang bayan ito. Punitin ang mga sedula nyo! Mabuhay ang Katipunan! Mabuhay! Mabuhay